2 clients today. They were pretty late in the day. Yeah, I rub it on my lips, and I literally put only a little bit on my face because for some reason with this, a little really goes a long way. So I only use a little bit. You know, I said I wanted a new iPad. So we're actually about to go look at iPads. Hopefully they have it in store because I don't want to wait for it to get shipped to me. I just want to get the iPad and the pencil. I don't really need the keyboard, honestly. I have a computer. So I just kind of go through my messages and see if I have any inquiries about appointments, which I do. All right, so it's time to go.
She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything Just like
yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, ride or die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just to on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to throne. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me, or 3 of me, when it was you and me. I felt like I love you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you. But I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what
We have arrived. Look at this one, y'all. This blue is so pretty. I really like this one. Oh wait, so it's only pros on display. There's no airs on display?
No.
The space gray one. If you guys have the blue one in stock, yeah, look what she do inside stores. Like she's in here doing TikTok. Stop hiding. You're not shocked, y'all. We got on our Crocs.
She made them.
Yeah, all her little charms is just falling off. Oh, baby. I be forgetting my numbers. Sorry.
Second generation pencil.
Yeah, it's the second generation, but I want to see it popping up AT&T. Thank you. Okay, y'all, we are back home. We got my iPad. So, yeah, but it's gonna go under the tree, really, because I don't have a case for it yet or anything like that. So, until I get a case, mine has to sit, sadly. But it's okay. Alright, you guys. So, I realized I didn't talk to y'all as much when I was working and stuff like that, because honestly, throughout my day, when I got a lot of stuff to do or like clients and I'm working, I'm not in that habit yet to pick up the camera. So I'm gonna have to get used to that, or I'm gonna have to just try to prioritize like talking to y'all in between clients. But I finally got my iPad I've been talking about. This is my old iPad. So I went and got a new one. Finally, I bought this iPad like 5-6 years ago, and it was holding me down. But the only thing is that this iPad only has 16 gigs. And when it comes to editing, making flyers for my business, trying to do new things with different business ventures, it doesn't hold any space. So I find myself like deleting footages, and then I'll delete something that I needed and I don't, I can't get it back. So I was like, you know what, maybe it's time to upgrade. Plus, I was using my iPad like before to try to like note take and keep up with a lot of stuff, but it didn't keep me organized because, again, I was deleting stuff and everything like that. So the iPad Air, the 5th generation. But I had a very productive last 2 days. I like to go and work and then still be able to do stuff with my day. But then it's like sometimes I love being in the shop all day. So it really just depends on my mood. But it's pretty much it. I just worked these last couple days. And then, finally got my iPad. I forgot that. I think that'll be in my next vlog, actually. So I have another vlog coming out soon, guys. I don't know if y'all liked the montage word version of me like working or whatever, because I know like sometimes people really want to just see real time, which it was real time, but like they want to see the process. They want to hear the conversations and stuff like that, which I mean, it's cool, but I made it a montage because I was moving. I wasn't actually talking to the camera. I wasn't even paying the camera no attention. I kept putting the camera, like setting my camera up. Once I set it up, it was up. I was not paying it no attention. But yeah, so that's it. That was, 2 days of the Vlogmas season with me and working. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.